Real quick, I got your help installing your windshield on your Harley Davidson with an official Harley Davidson shield sport model. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out real quick. My parents both have Harleys. Bought a windshield. This thing's not that hard to put on, but the instructions are super confusing. When you go to their site and you read the reviews, people are just raving about how hard it is and the instructions and stuff. There's not much to it, but it's confusing as to what goes where, what bar shoots through what, and what to put on what, facing where. And you can sit there and mess with it all night long and people can't figure it out. So this is your real quick guide tutorial. If you're interested in this one, it is part number 58024-96A from Harley Davidson. I also want to note real quick, when I'm showing you the hardware setup, I have one of the tabs turned the wrong way, and I'll fix that later on in the video. Other than that, if you watch this real quick, you should be able to fly through your installation. It'd be no big deal. Don't tighten anything up all the way until you're all the way done. Center it up real nice. Perfect. So there's the hardware and what it should look like. Notice that comes in and out of there. So to make that, you just need this piece right here. This cap goes next. And the little dents, they don't tell you, but they face that hole, just like that. What that's gonna do is when you tighten it down, it holds that tight. So after that, you got your little locking washer thing. Then you get one side of this, that right there. The other one faces the other way. That comes through, and what that does is it grabs the bar, an acorn nut. This won't go on till later. Once that tightens down, holds that. And then this one right here will look like this, with a cap on the end, a plastic screw, bowl washer, fender washer. This right here, facing that way so it grips into the windshield. This one here down, so your windshield sandwiched in between another fender washer. That right there, they don't show you in the instructions, but it's got a large hole and a small, skinnier hole. Goes into the skinnier hole. Gets its nut. When it's all done, it'll get this cap on the outside. And then this right here gets this bolt through here into there. That goes around the fork, clamps down. Last thing we're going to do before we put it on is prep our tools. Since it is chrome, we just go ahead and put about 3 or 4 layers of this on our tool so it won't scratch it. This is a Sportster 1200 1999's custom. These go on here, but they get rotated up. Bolt's going to come in from the bottom with our bowl already on there. Something like that. Nut. Same thing. Hole in the back. Bowl facing the hole. Locking washer. This little deal goes flat side out on both sides. We got the windshield out. They don't really tell you which way to face this thing. It's got to flip around. See how it needs to ride into this. So easy fix. Setup so far. They're both installed real loose. Nothing's tight. Up on the top, real loose, nothing's tight. We're ready to pop those little balls into the back of the windshield. These are going to go in, face up and toward the bike. It says to lubricate them with water or saliva. You're going to give me a hard time for using spit as lube, but spit makes the best lube, and for once, check it out right there. It's in the instructions right there. Look at that. Spit makes the best lube. Harley Davidson even knows it. Yeah!
You need to have a little more spit there, man. You gotta put some, you know what, behind that.
Before, hold this thing. I'm gonna take them under there and start trying to wiggle it in. We're gonna take those rods and feed them underneath to those holes, and notice the angles, they shoot down.
Ooh, there we go.
We lined up the top and the bottom's already sitting there waiting for a screw. Lined up, so you can tell it's a good OEM product. We had to get this out and still be gentle with it. Pull that out, push that up, put all this in, sandwich it, and then come in from the back with a washer and a nut.
See, this is laying against this.
Yeah.
We'll try to make it do that, and I think we'll be fine.
Just gotta tighten everything down. Then we'll put those little beauty caps on the front of it. 9/16 up top on the acorns, 3/8 in here.
We're looking pretty even.
Last thing to do, a little button.
Lens right away.
Yep, not very noticeable.
That's called the Sport Windshield.
All right, guys, that's all I have. It fits perfect. I mean, it's made for the bike from the people who make the bike. It says it fits 96 and up, all the way up. And then if you have an 87 through 94, it'll fit that too. So I don't know what the heck happened in 95. Hopefully that helped you out. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Remember to check back for more videos and click that subscribe button. Some more up there. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.